Presenting the F&D T300X convertible soundbar. It comes with dual format decoding MaheOlogy/MP3 and 2 slim satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer with 8 driver. It has total output 70 watts. It also features Bluetooth version 4.0 and Bluetooth connectivity. The delivery box contains 1 N of subwoofer, 2 N of satellites and 1 N of remote. 1 N of manual with warranty card, 2 N of cables and 2 N of tower base. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.